So currently in Singapore doing this tour thing, and it's pretty cool. You should try it if you're here. So currently in Singapore, just landed from Melbourne and gonna catch a Singapore tour for 2 hours. But look around. So there's a merlion.
In 19th century. Okay, you got to see a lot of very colorful houses. This is known as the shop houses. It used to be the warehouse. Now if you look at 10 o'clock, you see these multiple colors. So, and it is not top of the wall. It's one football field of vertical greenery. So in Little India, Bukit Street used to be.
So finished the tour and now we are at the butterfly place. There's lots of butterflies just hanging out real casually. I am so tired. I think it's like been more than 48 hours. I haven't slept properly and I just arrived at my Kathmandu hotel. Just lights it like crap ass. There we go. Yeah, so just arrived at my Kathmandu hotel. I know I look like crap. I feel like crap. Just checked in as I actually organized a hotel transfer and they forgot to pick me up, and the plane got delayed as well. So at the moment feeling pissed because I had to pay the person who called for my taxi a tip, and they really want 1,000, which is $10, and then had to give the taxi driver the same amount. And to be honest, I just didn't even tip the guy who bought my bag because I am done with tipping. It was meant to be a free transfer, so yeah, head straight to bed, have a shower, head to bed because I've got a 6 o'clock start in the morning. And yeah, had a pretty good day in Singapore, which you probably saw. I did do a day tour, which was 2 hours. It was pretty cool. Well, I kind of spent the whole day in the airport, but like it wasn't too bad. Like there's always something to do, so not bad. I met a new friend, Hannah, if you're watching this, what's up? And then I met another girl here, Casey, in Kathmandu on the flight. She's pretty cool. Yeah, so just thanks for keeping me awake in the flight. Anyway, I am very tired, so I'm just gonna head off to sleep. Hope you guys are well.